Let's walk through how to prepare a file for 3D printing out of Autodesk Fusion. Whenever you have a file ready to 3D print, in this case, I have a snowflake ornament that I'm going to use in order to demonstrate this. We're going to go up to the File menu. We're going to go down to 3D Print. And in the menu on the right side, if any of your preparation types are anything but export, you'll want to make sure to choose Export. And then here it's going to say to select the object. So I'm going to go over and select the item that I want to 3D print. And then I want to change the format. In this case, we're going to go with a 3MF option. And you're going to see it's going to pick what unit type and everything that we designed our file in. And we're just going to go ahead and select OK. When we do this, we're going to come up with a Save As dialog box. The Save As dialog box needs a name. So maybe we will go ahead and put in our last name and what we want our snowflake, in this case, maybe even to be printed in. So you might even put in like what color or anything of that nature. Again, the 3MF file is going to be the type. And then we are going to make sure down here that we are saving to our computer. Make sure that checkbox is on. And then we can also see like where that it is being saved at on our computer. If we want to change that, we can click this little box here and then be able to change and adjust where we want it to be. For me, the desktop looks like a good spot. I'll go ahead and click Save. And then once I'm done, I'll click Save. Once this finishes, I'll be able to check to see the location on the desktop where that's saved. And now you'll be able to go and 3D print this or be able to send this to someone to have it 3D printed.